Hi guys, Funny YouTuber here today, and yeah, I couldn't do a video yesterday because I was at my friend's house. So yeah, I'm doing a video today, and yesterday I was really busy and that. So yeah. So today I'm going to be showing you my pistol I got from Spain when my mum went there. They brought it me back. It's really good. Looks like it has a silencer on it, but it don't. It's really cool. You pull that bit back and you put the bullet in, and you go. It cost €7. At Spain it did. I'm not in Spain, you know. I live in England, but my mum got it when she went on 2 weeks holiday. About yeah. They got me this. It's a super gun there, and it's really nice. You know, it's got silver there and everything. Just excuse that noise with my sisters and my mum and that. My sisters got back of them. Yeah. So this is my gun. You hold it like that. Shoots 15 meters. So yeah, pretty good gun. The video's only been up for 2 minutes. I'll do another gun for you if you want. I've got this, what I got from B&M's. By the way, this ain't my whole collection, there's a bit of them. Got this gun from B&M's with one Toyota. You could get 2 for £12, but I don't have enough money, you know, so I got this for £8. Put that bit back and the line here for so you can use it scope. Pretty powerful gun that just wobbled when I had my nose on it, you know. Really sure that's shotgun, isn't it? How small it is. Yeah. Got a longer one. I'm gonna get the longer one. So it looks like it's showing off on look at the dip for a difference. In a sec. Wait the camera in a minute. Okay guys. So it looks like, there we go, see them there. That was the thing, the green one's pretty longer, so it looks like this is sort of the thing. It doesn't say it says double barrel, but I think it's double barrel sort of. So yeah, pretty nice gun, isn't it? So yeah. Okay guys, it's been the end of the video. please like, subscribe, see you in the next video, because I'm going to watch YouTube myself. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.